all this month on RegMedNet, we're putting cell culture in focus. When cells are cultured, they're grown outside of their natural environment for the purposes of research or for growing a cell therapy. The media in which cells are grown supports their growth and can contain natural sources such as animal serums or artificial sources such as inorganic salts, vitamins and amino acids. Cell culture is a crucial part of every biological project, and it's important to optimise this before scaling up your cell therapy. The media in which the cells are cultured can also strongly affect the performance, safety and consistency of your cell therapy product. But what should you consider when selecting a cell culture media, and how could it affect the regulatory path of your investigational product? In this focus, we've asked the experts to bring you insight into obstacles and areas of future development. Specialists from biological industries will review advancements in technology and applications that are affecting researchers, as well as making their predictions on how this could change in the future. Join the conversation today at RegMedNet, LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. I'll see you there.